The top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine recommendation. Recommendation number 1. JUKI DD Elite 1700 Lock-Stitch Industrial Sewing Machine. Are you actually the kind of designer who produces rather large projects and has always found navigating the small base of your sewing machine a little difficult when there's so much fabric involved? Well, particularly if you're also interested in working with slightly more hardy and unique materials, so you're hoping for a sewing machine with a little more durability for that as well, then we think you simply must take a look at this professional quality model offered by reputable machine brand JUKI. Rather than giving you a small base on which to work, like smaller garment-based machines with free arm features might offer you. Recommendation number 2. JANOME HD 3000 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. Were you rather intrigued by the heavy-duty nature and large workspace of the machine above, but you're just not ready to give up the format of a walking foot machine since that's what you learned on, and that's what you find yourself most proficient in using? Then we think you'll be very pleased indeed to learn that there are classic, free-arm style machines out there that are just as heavy-duty and great for mass-producing garments too. This quite reasonably priced option from JANOME is an awesome example of what we mean. Besides having a very durable exterior and coming with an equally heavy-duty hard case. Recommendation number 3. Singer Heavy-Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. Perhaps you're looking for something that's a little closer in function and style to the smaller, more beginner-friendly machine you learned on, but you're absolutely in need of something more durable that will withstand the sheer amount of things you're producing with regularity now. In that case, particularly if you are still feeling intrigued by the idea of a larger, flatter base work surface, we definitely suggest taking a look at what Singer has to offer in this next model. Besides being specifically and intentionally built with a heavy-duty materiality that's designed to last, this machine is also built with an impressive amount of customizability. Recommendation number 4. HIGHLEAD GC 618 Once Compound Feed Walking Foot Machine. Are you actually still thinking about how much you love the idea of having a larger and flatter base on your machine because you think the differently shaped work surface would be beneficial to how much you're producing and how quickly you're working, but you still aren't keen on sacrificing the walking foot format of your old machine, since that's why you're trained on? In that case, we think you might get along much better with something like this model offered at an industry standard price from HIGHLEAD. Besides having a decently sized working table built into its base, this high quality and high durability machine boasts several other features that make it ideal for heavy-duty work. Recommendation number 5. Singer Heavy-Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. Have we really got you feeling like you could use a heavy-duty sewing machine model that will really withstand you being a little hard on your tools? But you can't help wondering whether there isn't a version of the machine you saw above that will give you even more diversity in its features and customizability in its sewing process than what we just showed you? Then we think you'll be very pleased indeed to learn that Singer has another, slightly more souped-up model of the same basic machine. Like the previous design, this heavy-duty sewing machine has an impressive range of automatic stitch capabilities built into its extremely durable frame.